Exciting news on sailing Pau Hana. Just got a package delivered from FedEx. Let's open it up and see what's in it. Alright, here we go. Gonna open it up and see what we have to make our channel even better. Oh, here we go. Upside down. DJI Spark. Decided to start off with the small one and the cheaper one because I'm pretty sure this one's going to end up in the lake, but it's supposed to be yellow, so hopefully it's yellow, because I got yellow because I wanted to make sure I could find it in the bushes when I crash, because I'm sure I'm going to crash. So let's open this thing up. Alright, there it is. Got the yellow just like I ordered. And this is basically the pack you get right here if you only order the one for $399. And if you notice, inside the box, I still have some additional things to unpack. So this over here is going to be probably a couple hundred extra, but it's going to be worth it in the long run. We bought the Fly More combo, which it's a little more money, but it gives you the remote control and an additional battery and a couple other things that we're going to need, and it's probably cheaper just to buy it all at once rather than buying them piece at a time. And here the bundle comes with additional items such as the shoulder pack, and this will come in handy because this is basically just a styrofoam box, plasticky styrofoam box. It'd be kind of hard to carry around. You know, carry it like a book, I guess. But if you want to have, carry it in your shoulder, because look how small this is. This is awesome. I mean, it's the size of my hand. This whole thing is the size of my hand. Holy cow, that's a lot of instructions. A lot of reading. Got a feeling most of my training will come from YouTube, from fellow Mavic owners. Alright, here's the entire pack opened and laid out. You got the drone itself, the case that comes with the drone. These propellers came with the drone, and you got the single battery. I'm a little bit disappointed. Oh, actually, there it is. I thought it came with two batteries because I was thinking they only sent me one battery, but the one is on the bottom of the drone. So you got the propeller or the prop cages, which is definitely going to come in handy for someone who's relatively new to flying a drone. I've flown drones before, but little $50 drones, and crashing is no big deal. But if you crash this one, you're going to be out some cash. So you don't want to crash this thing if you can avoid it. But only came with 3 propellers. I'm not sure if that's right, but I'll check into that when I look at the packing list. And but I got the remote control, which is going to come in handy. You use that. It opens up, and you just insert your cell phone into it. You can fly this drone with just your phone, but I understand that if you're relatively new to flying drones and this particular drone, you don't want to do that because these antennas right here actually will give you a longer range. And I've heard of people losing their drone because they use their phone and you don't have very good connection. So I'll spend an extra $100 to save $400, and I'm probably going to try this refresh keep flying warranty program. I think it's only $60. I think I want to invest in that if it's not too late, because it protects you if you drop it in the water. As long as you get the drone back, you can turn it in to DJI and they will replace it for you free of charge. So, well, maybe not free, but probably a little bit of a deductible, but better than buying a whole new drone. So we're looking forward to using this this summer. I plan on using it when we're coming across the canal, the Erie Canal. It'd be interesting to see some Erie Canal footage from in the air. I haven't seen that yet on any of the other videos. So once we get this thing put together and start flying with it, we'll do some test flights and maybe post some videos of that, and we'll go post those on YouTube and see what you think. Hopefully it won't be too exciting, like, you know, the drone crashing, because I'm sure that would get lots of views, but not worth it. So anyway, we will talk to you later.